welcome to the federal income tax class. I'm the professor, Lori White, and just want to welcome you. We will be learning, obviously, about taxes, our federal income taxes, and how those affect individuals. We won't necessarily be covering taxes and how they relate to corporations or partnerships or other things like that. We will be primarily focusing on the individual federal income tax return. I don't want you all to feel intimidated or scared. You all are I know, are gonna do very well. I'm here to help. The best way to reach me is probably via email, and if that doesn't work or it's not effective, we can also talk on the phone or even set up a video conference if that's needed. But I'm in the class very regularly, at least once or a few times a day. And I'm very accessible, so I want you to know that. So, I'm here, and I want you to be successful and learn as much as you can about our tax system, and in the various concepts that fall under that. But again, welcome to the class. I'm Lori White. I have 4 children. I do my CPA. I've worked for several years in public accounting. One of those was for 6 or 7 years with PricewaterhouseCoopers, so one of the large international firms. And I've been teaching accounting classes now for several years, and I really enjoy it. I really enjoy helping people understand more about accounting. I enjoy being with my family, and so outside of teaching and family, if I have time, I do like to exercise. I like to go for long walks, and occasionally I love to read a good book. So that, though, doesn't happen to as often as I like, but maybe I can get into that soon. But I do love to read good books. But that's a little bit about me. I look forward to working with all of you over the next several weeks, and please know I'm here. And if you've got any concerns or questions or something comes up, just reach out to me and we can work through that. And good luck, and I know you all will do well. See ya. Bye.